Konnichiwa guys, hey, it's Alicia Sweets-Senpai, and I'm finally opening my laptop I got for Christmas. Yeah, so I gotta go find some scissors. And I just woke up. Well, I've been up for an hour, it's like 3:35 right now. And I need scissors. Scissors! Yay! Okay, you put you back. No, you back. You back. Scissors, okay. So, we are finally opening my laptop. I don't know. I don't know I'm gonna position this. Oh my God. Ooh, so pretty. No, I just. Oh, what do you know? Nice little laptop. Oven! Ah! My phone fell. Okay, we're good. We're good. Okay. How do I... How do I open this? How do I open it? Oh, there we go. Push this button. Maybe? Oh, what? What is that? There we go. Opening that. Opening that. Okay. So here is the laptop. And yeah, it's nice and black and beautiful and wow. Nice. Very nice. Very beautiful. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it since I don't have internet. I mean, I could go to the library, but then I'm just like, I don't want to walk to the library just to use a laptop. But anyways, yeah, that's my laptop that I haven't opened since Christmas. Because I don't have internet, so I can't really do anything on it. I mean, yeah. So yeah, that's the video for today, guys. That's my opening my laptop vlog, I guess. But anyways, hey guys, stay sweet, stay awesome, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!